Activists and militants marched their way to Luneta today, not only to celebrate the National Heroes Day, but also to support the Abolish Pork movement and to protest against President Aquino's plan of term extension. Tents and booths were set up for the signature drive. Also, several personalities like Wanna Change, Teddy Casino, Bayan Muna Representative Nery Colmenares, Beauty Queen Maria Isabel Lopez, Kamikaze, and many more appeared not only to encourage the people to sign the bill, but also to educate the people about it. Many protesters also considered the DAP a pork barrel as it was open for discretionary spending and used for projects not identified in the budget. They say funds pulled through the DAP were also used for the lawmakers' pet projects. Rose Nartates, a government employee and the Secretary General of Confederation for Unity Recognition and Advancement of Government Employees, also known as Courage, cannot hide her disgust over DAP when asked if she felt the change in Aquino's government.
Yung patakaran ni Aquino tungkol sa DAP, di ba, sinesentralisa niya ang savings ng government. Yung pala para lang lustayin, no? At hindi natin sasabihin na hindi nagkakauling.
Boy, bakla, tomboy, ayaw sa baboy!
Advocate and public figure Wanna Change also left a message to President Aquino.
Aquino III, the President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Noy, magbago ka na, no? Ikaw talaga, pasaway ka. 2 taon na lang, di ka pa umayos, ha? Makuha ka sa tingin. Listen to the boss, not the bosses in your head.
The Philippine National Police said that the crowd only swelled up to only 5,000, then later decreased to 4,500. The program ended as they marched their way to Mendiola.